Hey everyone, this is Heidi Gusted with another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this quick and bulky ribbed crochet hat. Taking a look at this kids ribbed crochet hat here, you can see a few things right away. You'll notice that it's super chunky and the ribs are very, very obvious. So I want to show you in this video today a couple of techniques that will help you find success with this hat. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to work back and front post triple crochet stitches to make the ribbing, and then I'm also going to show you how to work a front post double crochet two together stitch to create these wishbone-like decreases around the crown of the hat. So let's get started. On my hook here, I have worked a row of 10 double crochet stitches. I'm demonstrating on a flat swatch, but I'm working with an even number of stitches, so the mechanics of how to work these stitches will be the same as if we're working in the round. So let's pretend we're beginning round 3 of this pattern. So this round begins with a chain 3 like I have right here on my hook. So the first thing we need to do is work a back post triple crochet stitch. It's got a very long name and a very long abbreviation, BPDTR. And what we need to do is yarn over twice, and then we need to work in the back post. So when we're talking about post stitches, that means instead of working into the top of the stitch, we're working around the post. So this area that I'm pointing out right here with my thumb, that is what we're working around. So what we need to do is insert our hook from the back, since this is a back post, around the leg of that post to the other side, catching the hook within that post. Then we're going to yarn over and draw up a loop. So now there should be 4 loops on your hook. And then just like any other triple crochet stitch, we need to yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, and once again yarn over and draw through 2 loops to complete the back post triple crochet stitch. All right, so that's the beginning of our ribbing in this ribbed beanie. Next, what we need to do is work our front post triple crochet stitch. The abbreviation for this is FPTR, front post triple crochet stitch. And so to do this, we yarn over twice, and then we do the opposite way from what we did for the back post triple crochet. So we identify the post we need to work around, and since we're doing the front, we work into the front. So we insert our hook from front to back to front again around that post, and yarn over and draw up a loop. And then we finish our triple crochet stitch just like any other, with yarning over, draw through 2 loops, a total of 3 times. So let me show you how to work that rib again. So we're going to do a back post triple crochet stitch next. So we yarn over twice to get our wraps ready for the triple stitch. And since this is a back post stitch, we need to bring our hook around to the back, to the front, and then to the back again around the next available post. And then to finish out our stitch, we yarn over and draw up a loop, and then we yarn over and draw through 2 loops 3 times until there is 1 loop left on our crochet hook, and that is the back post triple crochet. And once again, let me show you how to do a front post. We yarn over twice, identify the post we're going to work around, and then we insert our hook front to back to front around the post, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. So you can see here how we're getting that ribbing done in the round with front and back post triple crochet stitches. Now I'm going to finish this row, and then I'm going to show you how to work a front post double crochet 2 together so you can get the decrease done on the crown of this hat. So once you've worked several repeats of round 3, which is that back post and front post triple stitch rib, which you can see here to here in this hat, you're going to need to start decreasing for the crown. So this can be a hat instead of just a big old headband. So to do this, what we're going to do is look at round 6 of the pattern. So round 6 starts with a chain 2, which I've done already here. Now what we need to do is start with a back post double crochet. So what we've got to do is just yarn over once, insert our hook into the back post, and double crochet that stitch out. And then we do a front post double crochet stitch. So yarn over once, insert the hook around the front post, and finish out that double crochet stitch. So pretty easy so far. But next what we're going to do to decrease is skip the following stitch. So instead of working another back post double crochet, we're simply going to leave that stitch behind entirely, skipping it, yarn over and work a second front post double crochet stitch. So we yarn over, insert our hook behind that post, draw up a loop, and then finish out the double crochet. So it becomes one back post, one front post, skip the back post, and work the front post. So let me show you that one more time. So we yarn over, work into the back post of the next stitch, draw up a loop, and finish out the double crochet stitch. Then we work a front post double crochet stitch, like so, and then we skip the next back post stitch and do a front post double crochet stitch. And that is the repeat all the way around, so we can start decreasing for the crown. All right, now what I'm going to do is get set up so I can show you how to work round 7. So to begin round 7, we're going to start with a chain 2, and then the repeat starts with a back post double crochet. So just like before, just an easy back post double crochet to begin. And then what we're going to do is work a front post double crochet 2 together. So FPDC 2 TOG is the abbreviation. So what we're going to be doing is, if we look at this hat here, see how these ridges kind of merge together? They merge together here because in round 6 we've skipped that back post stitch, and then in round 7 we're working the 2 together. So let me show you how to do that stitch. We're going to yarn over and then insert our hook into the next front post as if we're doing just a regular front post double crochet stitch. And then we draw up a loop. Now we'll yarn over and draw through 2 loops and then stop right there, leaving 2 loops on our hook. Now we yarn over again and insert our hook into the next front post stitch as if we're doing a regular front post double crochet stitch. And now there are 4 total loops on our hook. So we yarn over and draw through 2 of those 4 loops. And then we finish out kind of like we're working a half double crochet stitch. We yarn over and draw that loop through all 3 of those loops on our hook, and that draws together those 2 front post stitches into a wishbone type shape, decreasing our stitch count by 1. Let me show you this repeat one more time. So we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the next back post, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over and draw through 2 loops to work our back post double crochet stitch. Next we need to do a front post double crochet stitch 2 together. So we yarn over, insert our hook into the front post of the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw our hook in that loop through 2 loops, leaving 2 on our hook. We yarn over again, insert our hook into the next front post and draw up a loop. Then we yarn over and draw through 2 loops. And then to finish out this front post double crochet 2 together, we yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. So here and here you can see that we've done 1 back post stitch, front post double crochet 2 together, another back post stitch, front post double crochet 2 together. And taking a final look at our hat here, you can see how that wishbone effect I keep talking about happens, where we skip stitches and then work 2 together to decrease the crown of our kids' chunky ribbed beanie. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section, and tune in again soon for even more video tutorials.